As you can see, I can have 10 USD via my paper, 6 USD, 6 USD, 3 USD, 1 USD. So hello everyone, welcome back into this video. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the best mobile earning game application that you can use today to make money on your mobile phone. If you have a mobile phone and you want to be making money by playing games, this video is made for you. So if you didn't subscribe to this channel, subscribe today, like this video, share it with your friends, and turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV. Now you can be asking yourself, which kind of game can you play on your application? Can you play on your mobile phone so that you can be making money? This application is called Earn App. If you want to be seeing this application, if you go to Google Play Store and find this application which is called Make Money, Play and Earn Cash, you can be able to earn money by playing games. If you are going to Play Store or to go to App Store and search this application, you are going to be getting this one which you can be making money. Let me go to Play Store and show you how you can get this application. If you are going to the application to the Play Store or App Store if you are having iPhone, so what you need to do, you need to search Earn. This is Make Money or Play and Earn. You can search Play and Earn. So if you search Play and Earn Cash, you can see it is searchable there, and once you click here, you can see I have this one which is installed on my phone. What I need to do, I need to go back to my phone and open it. You can see it's gonna be open it, and after getting opened, I'm going to be direct to different platforms or different categories where I can choose to earn money by playing games or earn money by listening to music. This application is customized so that you can be even earn by playing music. How you will be earning with this application? To earn this application, you need to play games. That is the first thing. You can be choosing here to click on the games. Once I click on the games, you can see they are bringing different games that I can be playing. They are bringing me discover new games, earn per minute, download a game and earn big per minute, earn per level, reach milestones and earn big with these more popular games, game and sweepstakes, earn points and entries to win S25k USD plus grand prize, complete and earn. And the complete and earn, that is where you are to be completing different tasks and earning money. What you need to, you can be even also coming to music, and on the music, that is why you're going to be playing music and earn by playing music. So let me go back to the play music section and show you how I'm going to be earning by playing music. For instance, if I open this application again, I can have different categories of music, and the more you are playing music, the more money you're going to be making. The more music you are listening to, the more money you are going to be getting. So also, once you are downloading different games, also the more money you are going to be making. For instance, if I click on music, you can see there's music is called Fire. If I press here, I'm going to be playing, and also you can see there my music, and I can be choosing all media or stations. And also once I want to be playing the games, the more I play, the more money I want to be making. So you can see at the top here, earn 2.5 for every friend you refer and who's going to be playing the games. You can also choose to earn money by sharing this application to someone else, and once a person is going to be signing up and player games, that is where we're going to be earning USD 2.5 as a referral fees. So now let's go to deals. You can be going to deals. Once you go to deals, you can see I'm gonna be checking what can I be doing to earn. Also the deals of today, that is gonna be showing me different activities I can perform, either playing games, so either or listen to music, which I can perform to be able to earn money. What you need to do, you need to check which one is which one is making you comfortable, and also choose to do that. So you need to ensure that you earn. As you earn, you're going to be earning in terms of points. Once you earn the terms of points, for instance, you can see at the top I have 115.6 points I have already earned, and also you can say I have 50 the time frame that I applied for music. That's what I'm going to be checking. And also after that, the money you're going to be earning, once you come to redeem section, as redeem here, you're going to be checking and see the amount of money you have, which you can be transferring to your PayPal. For instance, if you see here, I have my goal to be earning 4,200 points so that I can be getting 0.25. These are the things that you can be even doing in 30 minutes. Depends on what you did. It depends on the game you played. Depends on the task you have performed. Either you have decided to be downloading games and doing different activities, maybe signing up and others. Once you are done this, you can be able to earn this money first. So you can see I can be coming here. For instance, if I have 0.10 or 0.1, I can decide to come here and redeem this gift card, which is worthy 0.1, and also I'm going to be having an option to be having my money. So if you have a gift card or PayPal gift card, that means you can be also redeeming to cash, which you can be sending to your bank account. So as you can see, I have a 10. Maybe if I have 10, that is where I'm going to be having 28,800 points. So 28,800 points. If you are having these ones, that means you can be able to redeem into 10 PayPal money that you can be also. It's a gift card which is worth 10 USD, and also you can be able to redeem it into money and send it to your bank account. So if we go to gift cards, you're going to be seeing gift cards as well. And also if you go to products, that is the product they can show you, either the product you want to be purchasing with your earned points or your earned money. Also you can be choosing to do everything you want. So with this option, also you are going to be having different games. If you see to boosters, you can see quick payout, videos, news, surveys, deals, offers, games. You need to choose which one is going to be working for you. And also once you are done with that, you can be coming back again and whenever you have free time and choose another game you can be playing, or choose another activity or another action you can be playing. So as you can see here, review, you're going to be earning 100 points. Discord, you earn 100 points. Install widget, earn 150. Twitter, 200. Add name. So you can see you have different activities, agenda, you earn money, music preferences, you earn money, so that you can be also able to get the recommendations. It depends on what you have shown there. As you can see, we have all details here. And also if you want to be managing your profile, you can be clicking at the top here, at the top right. And also once you click there, you will be going getting information, or you can be managing your profile. You can also even be getting support. It depends on what you want to be asking. So it's going to be sending a message to the team, and also they're going to be helping you with any questions or issue you're having. So with this application, once you are going to be earning money, you want to be also earning points. It's going to be increasing at the top there, and also you can see these are my points, and you'll be able to manage the redeeming points if you have any. But because for me, I joined today and I have this currency, I have this point, I've already earned it. So that means I didn't redeem yet. But if also you create another account and also try to be playing like this, you can be able to earn money as well. So thank you for watching the video. If you are interested, if you have free time, you can be also joining this application. What you need to do, you need to have your Gmail account and also sign up. Once you are signed up with your email account, you can start exploring the deals here and also start making money. So remember to subscribe to this channel, Normal TV. If you have any questions or suggestions, remember to leave it in the comment section. Remember to share, also like and leave your comment.